To set password on applications on OnePlus Nord CE5, you will have to start by opening Settings. Next, you will have to scroll down and move for Security and Privacy. Now scroll down and go for App Lock. Right now you have to set a privacy password first, so go to the settings and you can use this 6-digit password, but you can also change password type. So in my case, I will go for simple pattern. Input your password twice, like you create this screen lock. Over here, you can set the recovery email if you forgot that password, and you can set this reminder question. In my case, I'm gonna use the question. So here you can pick this question, or you can even set the custom question if you want. In my case, just random letters. I'm not gonna forget it. Now click on the switcher for the app lock, and here select application that you want to lock. So I would like to lock, for example, my Google Drive. Now if I try to open my Google Drive, as you can see, I will have to input my privacy password.